Lanka bags 4 golds at the 12th Bali International Choir Festival 2023. The Soul Sounds Academy Choir, conducted by Shivanthi Subramanian and directed by Soundari David Rodrigo, as well as soloists Chinook Wijesinga and Rakatha Widyapathage, won gold medals in the solo classical music and children's choir categories respectively. In addition, Chinook Wijesinga also emerged category winner at the competition. Both are students of the Soul Sounds Academy. The Bali International Choir Festival is one of the fast-growing and reputed choral festivals in the world, and each year welcomes choirs from all over the world. This year there were over 92 choirs and well over 4,000 participants at the event. The competition is adjudicated by an esteemed panel of international choral experts, and its artistic director is Tomiyanto Kandasaputra, and organized by the Bandung Choral Society. The Soul Sounds Academy, now reaching its 20th year, is headed by well-known musician Soundari David Rodrigo and focuses on not just vocal, piano, violin, musical theatre, and guitar classes, but strongly believes in nurturing young talent and giving students opportunities to perform. The winning choir consists of young students and adults who are passionate about their singing and music. The Soul Sounds Academy says they are grateful to all its sponsors and well-wishers who had faith in them as they embarked on this journey, and are humbled to have brought honor to the country. For more latest news, subscribe to FTTV.